Hey lovers, you're welcome to another episode of Skincare Tips with Amaham. Over here, we give you nothing but the best tips for a healthy, glowing skin. Don't forget that I do not diagnose, I'm only here to recommend. Now, before we get into today's video, please do to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get straight into today's video, guys. Melanin girls, that is all I see. Skin so fresh, no, they need sunscreen. Body too sweet, and they also sexy. They give Welcome back, lovers. Now today we are going to do a real quick one. It's going to be a product review on the Disaar Carrot Miracle Oil. Okay, we're going to have a quick review on that. So at the end of today's video, you're going to know whether it's good, whether it's bad, its benefit, and I'm going to give you two reviews from two of my clients actually who have used the oil, and so do not go anywhere as we delve and dive into that. Now guys, we know that carrot is naturally an option for boosting your skin's radiance or boosting our skin's radiance. We also know that it brightens the skin gently. It brightens the skin without any side effects. Now let's look at oils. Okay, oils are actively used in cosmetology to improve the condition of the skin. Now there is this Disaar Carrot Miracle Oil. Okay, now this oil repairs damages, refines your pores, moisturizes your skin, as well as brightening your skin. Okay, now imagine having a skin condition or your skin is damaged. Okay, now you're looking for an oil or something to use to repair your skin, and then at the end of the day you get this. Now this oil is going to repair the damages as well as brightening your skin. You know that sometimes when you have skin conditions or you have a reaction due to a bad product that you used, and you're trying to get your skin back, most of the products that you use to fix your skin normally they darken your skin. Okay, we know that. Now this oil doesn't work that way. In as much as it repairs your skin, it's actually going to brighten your skin as well. I am a living testimony, guys. Like I said, I am a living testimony. My oil is almost done. See, this oil, okay, I am naturally that type of girl who always has bruises on her legs. Okay, I don't know where they come from. I'll wake up and then I already have bruises on my leg, and I don't even know where they are coming from. Now this oil has really helped me. Okay, I use them, and even though I get the bruises, but then it has made my legs smooth. I mean, very smooth, as well as brightening my skin. You know what I'm talking about. And then even if I actually know that I have the bruises on my leg, because this is not how I want my legs to be. Okay, but if somebody sees me compared to first, at how my legs were at first, the person might not even realize that I have bruises. But because I know myself, I know that I still have one or two bruises, but the person might not even realize. The person might even see my legs and be like, oh my god, your legs are cute. But this is not the state in which I want my legs to be. I know it's going to work because I've been using this for like, should I say a month? Yeah, and it's really been helpful. Now let's talk about two of my clients. The first person, okay, had a reaction due to using a bad cream, but the reaction she had, I don't know how I would explain it. It looked like eczema. Okay, the reaction that the person had because of the bad cream looked like eczema, right? Now she got a cream that was supposed to repair her skin, but she mixed the oil. Okay, she mixed the oil with it, but at the end of the day she was having issues with the cream as well. So I was like, okay, you know what, just use the oil alone on your legs. Now she's used the oil on her legs and everywhere that she's had the reaction from whatever bad cream that she used, and she stopped using whatever cream she's using. Okay guys, now it has fixed the damages that she already had on her skin, as well as it has brightened her skin. Now this is the only thing she's using now, even though I wouldn't really recommend that you use it alone. This is just the only oil that she's using. Now the second person had rashes. Okay, like it was like rashes, or let me say dark spots on her skin. Now she came to me, I gave her cream and all that, and I asked her to mix this with the cream, and oh my god, it has worked perfectly for her. Like guys, I don't even have to be talking plenty right now, because per the one or two things that I've said, I feel like I don't even have to talk more. Like, I don't even have to say more. This oil is actually the best. It is actually the best. Now, this oil has a lifespan of 12 months. That's like a year. So, but then, it's small in it. Okay, so even if you buy enchena, it will be done well. Now, if it doesn't work for you, then it means that I don't know how your skin is. But it works for everybody. It works for everybody. And so if you have any type of skin condition or skin issue, any reaction from any type of skin, I'd recommend this oil. Now, some people use it before using their body lotions. Some others also mix it with their cream. Now, I'd recommend, if you want to mix it with your cream, okay, do not mix it and put it down for it to sit. I wouldn't recommend that. Now, if you want to mix it with your cream, after you're done bathing, pour a little into your palm, pour your cream. It's work. But since you want to get a glowy skin, you want to glow, you want to have a beautiful skin, you want to have a radiant skin, you have to go through whatever stress that you have to go through. So yes, pour it into your palm, pour your body lotion or whatever into your palm, mix it in your palm before using it. Don't mix it and let it sit down and be waiting for you when you're ready. No, you want quick. No. See, or even if you mix it with your cream, mix it for like a week or two. Don't you mix your whole cream, put it down. No. Don't let it sit for a long period of time. So like I said, if you have any type of skin condition, this oil is really going to help. It's going to repair your skin and brighten your skin as well. Myself, I use it right after I get back from the bathroom. I use it on my body even before I use it before I use my body lotion. Now, I use it before using my body lotion because I want the oil to penetrate into my skin. Now, first things first, this oil, okay, doesn't leave any greasy-like feel on your skin. No, it doesn't leave any greasy-like feel on your skin. It really absorbs into the skin, moisturizes really well without leaving any greasy residue or greasy feel on your skin. So yes, you are good to go. Now, anytime I use this body oil, okay, oh my god, you go out and everybody's doing like this. Your glow is blinding their eyes. So yes, that is it for this oil. Now, people also ask, can I use it on my face? Yes, you can use it on your face, but I do not use it on my face. I don't use it on my face. Using oils on your face can be really, really good, but then I feel like at the end of the day, you might have a reaction. So yes, if you want to use it on your face, you can, but for me, I do not use it on my face. Now, I hope you find this little information useful, and I'll see you guys another time. Bye. A little bit of love and plenty money. That be the cost if you no go for afford it. Show them better loving, then go call you honey. My guy, who know they like more.